Your girl is a bit full. I had a pie and something to drink before I came here, so I am a bit full. I'm not done. I'm going to force myself to eat, but if I can't anymore, then I'll have to take what is this? I'll have to take what's left with me home because. There's also black, not black, not black, This never knows about condomazade. It So update you guys, I think 4 days ago, yeah, I think 4 days ago, I went on a solo date and the audio was bad and some of the footage was bad, lighting was not good, so it's kind of, I don't know. And then 3 days ago I went on a date with a friend and I didn't vlog much because she didn't want to be in the vlog. That's understandable and that's acceptable. So yeah, I think there's 1 or 2 clips that I showed her face and she was like, okay, I'm going to smile, I'm not going to say anything, and I was like, okay. And yeah, I think that's it. I went to Mr. Price and I got a few items, of which I have planned a, what is this? I've planned a mini try and haul, and I will upload that next week. And then this vlog, I think this vlog is going up on Friday because I won't be able to vlog this coming Wednesday because I won't be home to upload. Yesterday or 2 days back I shot a mini try and haul and I didn't shoot an intro and outro for that video, so I'm about to do my face and sit on the floor and do my face and shoot an intro and outro for that video. And so sorry about this awkward position, so I think I need to get myself a foundation brush because using sponges is the ghetto, to be honest. So I tried using a brush because my sponge is doing things and the brush for me is not. I think that's because this is not a foundation brush. I don't know what brush this is. So I tried using this brush and it leaves strokes and I don't like that. So I ended up using my sponge. I need to get a proper foundation brush because this one, it's not the one. But as for me, you're the one. in my heart. Okay, so I finished shooting an intro and outro for the mini try on haul, and let me show you guys something. You see, this is an artificial plant. Well, what is this? Leaves or whatever. Yeah. And then I want to get myself an artificial plant or leaves because I find that my backgrounds are a little. I do want to get myself an artificial plant or a, what is this, artificial leaves, because I find that my backgrounds are a little bit boring because there is no pop of color and all that. So I am going to get an, well, I did go to Mr. Price Home looking for an artificial plant, and I did find a few, but I did not like those personally, and I've seen a few people use them in their backgrounds, but for me they're not what I'm looking for. So I then went on Mr. Price Home website and I checked what artificial plants do they have for online purchase, and I found leaves that I liked. So I ordered those and I chose the pay in store option, of which I did not know that you have to go pay before you get your order. So I thought, okay, I've placed my order, and then I thought they will tell me that the order has arrived in the store and I'll have to pay to pick it up. But basically, that is not how it goes. I have to go to the store to pay using my unique code or my order don. I don't know what that is, before the my purchase arrives in the store. And I realized that yesterday, and I've made my order of placed my order 2 days back, and I realized that yesterday because I received an email saying that you haven't paid for your order. So today I am not planning on going to town, not unless I get a car before Mr. Price closes. I'll go and pay for my order, and then I will wait until it arrives. So yeah, um I don't know whether this is going to be the last bit of this vlog, but for now, bye.